This year at ASCO, the data that we're presenting is highlighting the broad utility of molecular profiling to enable improved patient outcomes and treatment options. The way that we're dramatically increasing the clinical utility is by going more broadly than ever before. And so today's patients have the ability to get whole transcriptome and whole exome sequencing, primarily covered by insurance, so accessibility is not an issue. And that greatly improves their ability to customize treatment strategies to fight their disease optimally. Some of the top differentiators for Caris's approach to molecular profiling really come from what we refer to as breadth and depth. In order to optimally understand the underlying genomic alterations that are driving cancer, you have to look across a wide variety of genes, and you have to look very deeply into those genes. So our standard molecular profiling for cancer patients encompasses measuring 22,000 genes, all the genes across the genome, 61,000 transcripts, so all the transcripts from RNA at incredible depths of coverage. We're talking about 1,000x depth of coverage for those clinically relevant genes, 500x depth of coverage for the rest. And that really gives us the resolution to identify even minor perturbations in the system that actually have very deleterious effects on the cancer's development. And so by having that breadth and that depth, we're really able to fully understand the nature of the cancer to optimally select treatments to maximize patient survival. The amount of molecular profiling that is done today is abysmally low, and that's really unfortunate. Cancer patients deserve the opportunity to maximally have treatments selected to benefit themselves. And so it's really less than 20% of patients that are getting broad-based molecular profiling for those that should be getting it. And that is something that we're trying to change. And so a big part of this is educating patients, educating physicians, letting them know that in fact there's wide accessibility to broad molecular profiling covered by insurance. This year at ASCO, we're presenting 24 abstracts that is work that is created and presented across the Precision Oncology Alliance. And so at Caris, we've formed the Precision Oncology Alliance, which is a group of more than 50 institutions collaborating together to maximize our understanding and increase the knowledge base of the benefit of molecular profiling. That's particularly important because it's a relatively small percentage of patients that are accessing this technology today, even though it's covered by their insurance. And so what we really want to do is start to increase the knowledge base and the educational assessment of the utility of molecular profiling. And the data that we're presenting this year highlights the benefit to patients that molecular profiling provides.